Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a LibreOffice quick video. In this video, we're going to be looking at applying hyperlinks to shapes and text in LibreOffice Impress. So I've got a slide here in Impress open, and I'm going to first apply it to text. So first simply click the text so it's highlighted, and then you can go up to the standard toolbar here to this little thing that looks like a world, and click that to launch the hyperlink dialog. And then I'm simply going to put in the OS College website for this one. And then click the OK button. And then next we're going to make a shape clickable so it goes to a web address. So I'm going to click this shape surrounding the word alpha, and then I can do. There's a different technique for a hyperlink, and that's a keystroke. So I'm going to go press Control K to launch that hyperlink, and I can put, well, let's go ahead and do Apple's website. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to go save the project, and then I'm going to launch this from the current slide. And so if I click on beta, it goes to the OS College website. And if I click on the alpha shape surrounding alpha, it goes to the Apple's website. So that is basically two ways to add a hyperlink to either text in a LibreOffice Impress slide or to a shape. This has been a quick video for LibreOffice from OS College. Check out our other videos on the YouTube channel, and click subscribe and like to get notifications for future videos. There's also more information about LibreOffice and other Office suites on the OS College website. These include videos, web pages, and blog articles. We are also on Facebook and other social media sites. Thank you for watching.